Ever wondered how the Robinhood app actually works? Let's break it down. Robinhood is a commission-free trading app that lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies, all from your phone. First, you create an account and link your bank, which allows you to deposit funds instantly or schedule transfers. Once your account is funded, you can search for a stock or crypto, check its price, and see a simple chart showing performance over time. The app makes trading easy with a one-tap buy or sell button. You can set limits or market orders, track your portfolio in real time, and even explore news and analyst ratings. Robinhood also offers features like fractional shares, meaning you can invest small amounts into expensive stocks, and recurring investments to automate your trading. It's designed to be beginner friendly, but remember, trading involves risk. Make sure to research before investing. Robinhood simplifies investing, putting the stock market in your pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.